Hey guys, so you're trying to connect your AirPods Pro to your iPhone, but the pop-up just won't show up? Don't worry, it's a common issue, and I'm here to help you fix it with some quick and easy steps. This usually happens due to Bluetooth glitches, outdated software, or pairing issues. Let's go ahead and fix it right away. Solution 1. Try the basics first. So, let's knock out the obvious stuff. Swipe down from the top of your iPhone to open the control panel. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. After that, lock your iPhone and unlock to the home screen. Open the lid of your AirPods case with the AirPods inside and hold it close to your iPhone. If the pop-up still doesn't show up, let's move on. Solution 2. Reset the AirPods. Put your AirPods in the charging case and close the lid. Then open the lid again and leave it open. Press and hold the button on the back for about 15 seconds. The light will flash red, then white. That means reset is complete. If your AirPod models have a touch response feature instead of a button, simply double tap the front part of the AirPods charging case a few times. Keep tapping until the light will flash red, then white, and that will complete the reset. Now simply reconnect your AirPods. Solution 3. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes your phone just needs a quick reset. Restart your iPhone by turning it off and then on again. In the meantime, make sure that your AirPods are charged. If you don't have enough charge, the pairing will not work. Now, after restarting your phone, try opening the AirPods case next to your phone again. Hopefully this time your problem will be gone for good. So guys, that's how you fix it if the AirPods Pro is not showing you the connection pop-up on your iPhone. In case if none of these steps works, it might be a hardware issue. Reach out to Apple support. They'll be able to help you further. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.